Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the picture mode. So let me actually change the position of the device, so I will explain you everything. As I said, right now we are in the photo mode, so the picture is highlighted. And thanks to it, we can focus on the settings which are right there in the right upper corner in this configuration. Let me actually try to change it, however it doesn't work, so it means that we have to keep it like that. Alright, so the settings in the right upper corner, as I said. Oh, and now we've got it this way. Alright, so we will just change everything and adjust accordingly. So here in the settings, we've got the self timer in this picture section. So all we have to do is to tap on self timer, and in this device we've got 3 different options, so off, 2 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and now it is notified right there, right here. So now we can go back to the camera and check whether it works. So let me tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Great, so this is how it works, and to turn everything off, I mean to turn the timer off, we have to open the settings again. So in this configuration they are in the left upper corner, here self timer, and tap on the option off. Now we can go back and our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.